Good morning, Ankita. Ankita, can you hear us?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir.
Okay, good. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. You're from Delhi.
Yes, sir.
You've been in Delhi for a long time? No?
Yes, sir. I have been born and brought up in Delhi.
Okay. Tell me, what is the difference between North-West Delhi, where you are living, and Southeast Delhi? Let us see.
Sir, Southeast Delhi is more developed than Northwest Delhi. And, sir, it is separated by Yamuna, as far as I remember. And, sir, demographic difference, as of now, I don't remember, sir.
You're brought up in Delhi, you should know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you topped the GATE exam.
Yes, sir.
So you're a smart lady. But your choice of career is a little baffling so far. You joined the private sector, then you went to a research organization. Now you are in audit. Why all these changes? Are you not focused in your mind as to what you should do?
Sir, I was doing computer science engineering, and sir, I prepared for GATE because its score is valid for 3 years. So I knew that for UPSC, I will need some kind of backup. So for that, I prepared for GATE. So after giving my mains of UPSC 2018, I joined DRDO as a scientist through GATE score.
Your ultimate aim is to get into bureaucracy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. You got your posting now?
Yes, sir.
Where are you posted?
Sir, in Mumbai. I joined yesterday, sir.
Oh, yesterday only got your posting. All the best to you.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
We had a very controversial CAG recently. Any idea? It's your department.
Sir, controversial CAG report or?
Yeah, so many reports of
So
his.
you're talking about the person?
I'm talking about the person and the reports also. They generated a lot of heat and debate.
Sir, 2G scam reports, sir, and Colgate, all these reports are you talking about, sir?
It made a big difference even in our politics.
Shri Vinod Rai, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You must have read about all his reports and all that.
Yes, sir. I know about the.
Okay. Now, do you concur with all that analysis and the kind of conclusions that were put out?
Sir, the analysis and conclusions which have been put out have been done with a lot of backing of key documents, which we call evidences, and the analysis is based on those documents. Sir, in that respect, those analysis is right, but yes, there is a different perspective of analysis in the department. So both views are there in the department regarding the reports.
What is your view?
Sir, I think the analysis has been done based on the evidences and documents, and there is logic which has been given behind those analysis, and I support that.
You support that. So do you think that
Yes,
that spectrum case,
yes,
the kind of inflated big figure that was given?
Yes, sir.
You think that is right? How do you support
sir,
it?
Sir, it was given, it was based on the analysis was based on the policy, whether the policy was focused or not, followed or not. So this is the mandate of CAG also. We check the procedures, whether they are followed or not. So it was said that if this has been followed properly, then this much of loss could have been avoided. So, sir, I think this analysis in this respect is correct.
But the courts have not accepted it because the policy itself of the government was different. See, you are changing a policy. How can you change the policy? and then work out, laws.
Sir,
The Government of India policy at that time was first come, first served.
yes, sir.
You could have said that this policy has resulted in so much of loss. So instead of that, you went after the government and then you said there is so much of loss. If you go by the policy, there was no loss. Because I think the people who were in that, who were named in that scam, they all got away with it.
Sir, as far as I know, I remember that the CAG pointed out that the policy which the government formed was not followed. If it was followed, then this much loss could have been avoided. Sir, but if you are saying that it was not the case, then I will read about it more.
Yeah, it's good. Anyway, even the comparison between 3G and 2G in a different kind of market setting, and then to blow it up and then say 1,74,000 crores was the loss. Do you think that was correct?
So, to say that we always try to compare things with the benchmarks. So if we are saying that we can perform better, if we can do better, then I think comparison in that respect is right.
But can you compare a market which is totally different? And do you compare two different time periods in a market which is already saturated? The government has received a large sum of money first. Now the market has no money, and you are trying to compare this with that. It's like comparing apples and oranges.
So comparison should be made on the uniform parameters. If we can separate out some of the factors which are common between the two markets, then maybe we can compare these two markets based on those factors. But if these features are totally different, then these things cannot be compared.
Okay. You remember your choice of state for IAS, the least preferred state. You are given some options, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember which is the least preferred state you are given?
Sir, West Bengal.
Shall I remind you? It's Kerala.
Yeah.
Why prejudice against Kerala? There have been excellent officers from there.
Yes, sir. So
Mr. Vinod Roy is from there.
I was from Kerala. Yes, sir.
And many of the Kerala officers have done pioneering work in housing, literacy. No? So why this prejudice against Kerala?
Sir, I have no prejudice against Kerala as such. So my home is in Delhi and I feel more comfortable there. I want to stay near to my home. That's why I have given those states ahead of Kerala. No other reason, sir.
Okay. Would like to take over, Ms. Sridevi? Madam? Mr. Yuvraj?
Sir, yes. Ankita, can you hear me? Ankita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ankita,
Now I can.
are you? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ankita, I would like to know what right now, what is happening? Like you are already in audit account service, no? So are you posted there already?
Yes.
Have you got your posting?
Yes, ma'am. I have joined now only. Yesterday I joined.
She's gone off.
Yuvraj, I think you can take over.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Hello, Ankita. I'll continue with the question. Ma'am will join later. Is it fine? Am I audible, Ankita?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. You said your father is a business owner as well as self-employed, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What business is your father doing actually?
Sir, my father basically supervised the construction sites.
Okay.
So whatever construction is going on around around where I stay, so he basically supervised those sites. He's a supervisor of the sites. So whatever material is coming, whether it is coming according to the requirements of the, yes sir.
What is the prime difference between business owner and self-employed person? What's the prime difference?
Sir, self-employed person could be a businessman, but it's not necessary that a self-employed person has to be a businessman. So there, a businessman basically does the business. He trades, or he sells, or he generates some products which he creates job also. And sir, self-employed person may not be doing that. For example, a domestic help is a self-employed person, but she is not a businessman or woman.
Okay. Okay, your father is owning a business. Am I correct? He's employing few persons, if I'm not wrong.
Sir, actually, yes, he gets business according to the demand of the market. So in this sense, he is self-employed.
Okay.
He's not creating a product as such on his own. So as per the requirements of the market, if there is some construction going on, then according to that, he gets work.
No, a business owner does not have to create a product. You can employ a lot of persons in the service sector. You can provide employment in a lot of other fields. He does not have to necessarily create a product. Okay, your father is doing some kind of business. You can keep that way. Who is paying the salary for your father in that business? So if
So,
Vishal, is
may I?
everything fine? Yeah, continue, please.
So, sir, the owner of the land who wants to construct a building, that person contacts my father for the supervision of the building, and then he pays him.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Your father also need a lot of other persons to do the task. It's not your father alone who is doing all the business, right? So your father is employing some person. Meanwhile, the same business is also paying your father, which means your father is also self-employed in the own business. Then what you've given is right only, Nandini, or you stumble. Sorry, Ankita. Okay, fine. And may I know the reason why you haven't opted for Indian foreign service? Yeah, I think there's a lag.
Sir, there's a personal reason that, sir. Sir, my spouse is in Indian Police Services, so that's why I have not opted for Indian Foreign Services.
Okay.
That then it would become difficult to balance work and life together.
Okay. No other reasons.
No other reasons, sir.
Okay. Fine, sir. Dear sir, chairperson, you can take over if you want.
Sridevi is on the line. I can't hear her.
I don't think she's on the line, sir.
Oh,
yeah, I don't think she is. Kindly continue, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So, okay, Ankita, we have talked about, a few things more personal. There are a lot of things going on in the country.
Yes.
What do you think is the most important problem facing our country?
Sir, we have problems in different areas. One is economy, And the second one as of now is health, and then third regarding social sector, and political also. So there are a lot of problems in different areas, and the highest as of now is related to health, because it is impacting other aspects of our development also.
What is this political problem that you are talking?
Sir, political problem is both international and domestic. Sir, we have recently in our neighboring country, we have seen that Taliban has uprooted the democratic elected government in Afghanistan. So we have to see how to build relations and how to transact with the neighboring country, and how it will impact us in the long term. And secondly, sir, in domestic, we have seen the common issues of center state and mostly center state relations. Since I am from Delhi, so I have seen that there are a lot of tussles between center and state in Delhi. So these kinds of political problems in India.
So what is your take on the trend in center state relationships?
So it is improving. Constitution has given us clearly defined areas, how to demarcate the jurisdiction of legislation executive. And apart from that, sir, we are trying to work together. We have formed some common platforms such as Niti Aayog, where we have the council, governing council, where a state is also represented. And similarly, we have other committees where representation from state is there. We have regional councils also. So we are trying to iron out the differences which we have in the coordination mostly between center and state. So I feel that trends depends on the government of the day in both center and state. And we are trying to improve on that. We are improving basically.
Then why do you say it's a problem?
Sir, because problems is still there. Because we have seen that in COVID management also, sir, there were issues of the coordination between center and state, whether center should do something or state should do something, in vaccination also. So problem is still there, but yes, we are trying to find out the solutions for that, and we're trying to find out the ways to resolve.
Okay, thank you. Any questions, Yuvraj?
Sorry. Do you want to ask any more questions, sir? I think I'm done. We can ask her to wait for some time. We'll discuss upon her interview, and then we'll give her some feedbacks about it, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We shall kindly put her in hold.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Ask her to please wait. Huh?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So
She's
what do you
on.
think?
Yeah, tell me.
So what do you think about her?
I think she is not strong in some of the basics. I think she is stumbling, sir. In my opinion, in lot of things, clarity is a little bit low, in my opinion. Because you are confusing, within the decision taken by CAG as well as the court. She was not able to take stance between which one is right or not. So she was confused. She is not focused. She doesn't have the clarity in her decision. That's what I think, my personal opinion. She's trying to manage a lot of things. That's what I think, sir. Your comment, sir?
Yeah, I think we'll tell her that she needs to be a little more focused. She should understand the question.
Yes.
She should understand the question. Even your question, she didn't answer very properly.
Yeah, properly. Yes.
Who is employed? Who is self-employed?
Yes.
Not up to the point. Not to the point.
Yes.
So
yes, exactly. She has to answer to the point. Number one, she can take some more time to think an answer. She can do that. Yeah. And then, sir?
Of course, but she's confident. She talks well. Her body
Yeah,
language
she's
is okay.
confident. Yeah, that I agree. Yeah.
Her body language is okay.
Yeah.
A little more clarity and a little more reading, you know. See, when you ask her about what is the most important problem the country is facing, she seems to be, you know, talking about external affairs, internal
she went to
affairs.
Afghanistan.
So
Yes.
I don't know whether there is.
Yes.
The problem is again that of clarity. Clarity.
Might be she wasn't training. She didn't follow the current affairs properly. That might also happen. Today only she joined. She must have been carried away with all those things. But you kindly give all those feedback, sir. That would be helpful for her. But kindly finish it in a positive note, so that she'll be confident in that.
No. We know how to do it. I have done it. Can ask her to come again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Vishal, put her back.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Ankita, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir.
Okay. You are not a stranger to interview. You have already done enough interviews.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You got a nice smile. Your body language is good. Okay. And you come out like a person who is quite confident. Okay. These are the positive things.
Okay, sir.
But the negative thing that I can tell you, which you can improve upon, not really very negative, take a little more time. When a question is asked to you, okay, take a little more time to understand the question very well and try to frame your answer in a clear manner. Okay, what is otherwise I think you are quite fine. Many of the questions that we asked you, I mean, nothing very difficult. Like, you know, you seem to be a person, who wants to get it done with. Like when I asked you, what is the difference between South Delhi and North Delhi? You could take a little time and say, maybe there are more industries here, more poor people, infrastructure is not very good. I mean, there are so many things which are different between North Delhi and South Delhi. I've lived in Delhi for 9 years, so I can tell you. Okay.
Yes.
Same way, when you are asked what is the difference between a businessman and a self-employed person, take a little more time. Okay. A self-employed person is more like a consultant. Now, if he brings his own resources into it, then he becomes a businessman. For instance, supposing your father were to arrange for, scaffolding, if you were to arrange for, the material for, finishing a house, things like that. If he's also doing all that, then you can say he's more like a businessman. He's bringing things into the work. Whereas if he's just a contractor or a supervisor, goes there and just supervises it, you cannot call him a businessman. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So take some time, because the questions are a little, they're very subtle. Again, when you're asked, what is the most important problem facing India? You're listing a whole lot of them. I think the better thing is focus on one. It's very simple. Today it is the pandemic.
Yes.
Or at the most you can say, okay, if you want to, extrapolate a little further, pandemic has been with us for a long time. Now you can say the security situation, especially because Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, they may all be getting together. So I think it depends on how focused you are and how you can prioritize, clearly understand the question, and try to give a straight, clear reply. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But otherwise, you spoke very well. You're already an officer. So, you're quite confident. Okay.
Yes.
So these are some of your strengths. Only thing is, when a question is asked, take some time. Analyze what they are trying to get from you. And try to state it in very clear terms, simple terms. Okay. I don't think I have got anything else. Otherwise, I think you're fine. And all the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, regarding the Kerala
kindly
question
work
that you
on
are,
the comments of chairperson.
yes, sir.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
she's
yeah.
got some doubt.
Ask.
Yes, sir.
Please,
Sir,
ask.
regarding Kerala question, sir,
Yeah.
was my answer satisfactory?
No. See, really, you can't explain it. I have analyzed the options of most of the officers from North,
Yes.
and they have all rated Kerala the last.
Okay.
Maybe it's possible that we have some prejudice, because Kerala is an excellent cadre. You are working with people who are, knowledgeable, people who are literate. They won't be so feudal. If you have a feudal mindset, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about general. If you have a feudal mindset, you may not like to work in Kerala. And corruption is the least in Kerala in many ways. Because all people are aware of what is happening around. They won't allow big nonsense, a scam or something to come out. There may be a few here and there, but nothing very, mind-blowing. But you will find that most people, again, have given Karnataka as the first preference in that zone. I'm talking about the south zone, okay? You will have to introspect a little bit. You understand?
Sir, yes, sir. I actually interpreted that question.
But what is your
wrongly, I
husband?
think.
What is your husband?
Sir, he is in Indian Police Service in Maharashtra cadre.
Okay, then you can say I would like to opt for Maharashtra because he's there. Can you opt for that?
Sir, yes, I have mentioned that I can opt for that.
Okay. So
Sir, actually, I interpreted your question wrongly. I thought you were asking that why I have not given Kerala as my first preference in the whole list.
no. I
interpreted
didn't
as
ask.
north or south.
No, I didn't ask that. I said this is your least preference. Why that one as the least preference over many of the other cadres, which may not be really that conducive for, working. See, there are some cadres. I don't know whether you have studied a little bit, but there are some cadres which are not which are got very strong leaders, where the bureaucrat may not have much of a role. But Kerala is a place where you can innovate, where you can do new things. Okay. So I just wanted to find out whether there is, you are aware of it. That's all. You can even say that I was not aware of it. I just it is my last zone, and in my last zone, I really don't have much of a preference. But then I given it like that. That I think should be a better answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, and all the best.